Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends, Tales from a Superstation, Season 2, Episode 7, The Lost Diesel. Wow, you sure did a number on yourself, Diesel 10, said Thomas. Oh, shut up, said Diesel 10 as Cranky started lifting him up to the repair platform. I mean, he's got a point, said Merlin. Oh, be quiet, he said when Diesel 10 cried. Right, so we got a goods train that needs shunting, said D199. Yes, indeed, said Splatter. But who's going to shunt it? Said Dodge. I'll go, said Ryan. Okay, Ryan, but be careful, said Thomas. Okay. Ryan backed up and steamed down the slope. It wasn't long before he had made it to the bottom. He started flicking the trucks together. Now all that was left was the brake van. Then he did a bump. It went rolling back and hit something. Ow! Cried a voice. What the? Said Ryan. Oh, I'm back here. Alright, I'll go get help, said Ryan, as he pulled the trucks out of the way. We had to keep going back as the couplings kept breaking. Soon Ryan rushed in. It was an old mine. Well, I'll be D261. Where have you been? I got locked in this mine months ago. I need help getting out. No problem, said Ryan. And he took the long diesel away. Oh, I haven't seen the sun in a long time, said D261. Alright, let's get you up to the slope. Soon, when we're back up on the superstation, Ryan came steaming onto a turntable. Listen up, everyone, I've got important news, he said. I found an old engine, and it's one we all remember well. Oh, really? Said Thomas. Who is it? Oh, I haven't moved in a long time under my own power. Please welcome back our old friend D261. Hello everyone, it's been a while. Yes indeed, said all the engines at once. Ah, hello there, Andy, said D199 smoothly. Andy? You never said your name was Andy, said Thomas. Oh really? Must have slipped my mind, said Andy. Anyway, it's good to see you too, Ted. Ted? Said Thomas. You never said your name was Ted, D199. Well, I don't usually go by that. Or after you lot start calling me Spam Can. Oh, I see, said Thomas. Merlin, would you be able to shunt D261 to the works? Yes, of course, he said. So he shunted the long diesel away. How long do you think he'll be at the works for? Said Thomas. Probably for a few days, said D199. The next morning, the engines awoke to see Merlin puffing back. You guys won't believe this, but he's already back from the works. Oh, really? That was fast, said Thomas. Yes, indeed, said Ted. Well, all we had to do was give him a new shape, and that doesn't really take long, considering we've got the best workmen in the business. So let me welcome you all back. to Andy, the Class 40 diesel. The engines cheered. Going back to your old shape, huh? Said D199. Yes indeed, Ted. Oh, it's been a long time since I've been in this shape. And all the engines laughed. That night they spent the night under the stars, reminiscing on times past.